The Finesse Caramics Interior Protection Kit with anti-dye stain technology. After application, you will see protection for 12 months against such things as stains and dye transfer. Firstly, ensure your interior is clean and completely dry. We recommend spot cleaning or deep cleaning any areas that need attention prior to application. Ensure the interior is at an ambient temperature and out of direct sunlight. Before you begin, ensure you have read the instruction manual fully and have every recommended component to hand. This ensures the application is seamless and easy. For leather, spray the leather sealant directly to a micro wipe applicator and apply an even film to the entire surface. Once you've evenly wiped the entire leather upholstery, leave to cure. For best results, we recommend leaving for at least 12 hours before use. For fabric and carpet, use the fabric and carpet sealant and spray directly to all surfaces. Once you have covered all fabric and carpeted surfaces evenly, for best results we recommend leaving for 3 hours to cure. After 3 hours has passed, apply a second coat and allow to cure for a further 3 hours. And there you have it, complete interior protection for 12 months. To maintain your Caramics interior protection, we recommend using Finesse's Hide Leather Cleanser and Total Interior Cleaner. For more information on the entire Caramics range, please visit www.autofinesse.co.uk/Caramics.